Back to the It's New Show. I'm so excited you're here. We've got an amazing show for you today. Packed fun, all kinds of good stuff. Let's jump in and get started.
I've been working on that for a while.
Wow.
Oh my God, that's brilliant.
Just take
Sora
Sora
2.
2 to get very excited. That's all we needed this whole time.
Oh my God, I've never seen you so excited about anything.
I said, the prompt was make an exciting, energetic intro for It's New using me. So that's what it did.
Now let's try to see you do it live.
No, sorry. That's it.
No,
That took it all
please,
out of me.
yes, for sure.
That's it. That took it all out of me. I don't know. Anyway, Greg, what are you
Oh my
covering today?
God.
All right, Google AI mode gets more visual and AI overviews have a sticky situation.
Anu?
Performance Max gets more channel reporting updates.
And I got another interview with Liz Reid, and also Google's rolling out those emoji answer boxes. Whenever you're ready, Greg.
All right, so over on Twitter, Rajan Patel from Google, had the VP of Engineering for Search, said that there's an exciting update today, and this was yesterday, that you can now find, explore, and shop visual inspiration right in AI mode. Just describe what you're looking for, upload a picture or both, and you'll see a range of rich visual results that you can conversationally refine with follow-ups instead of applying filters. He has a little chart there. Barry has it over on Search Engine Roundtable. And essentially, it's going to have a visual fan out technique for search where you can break a question down into subtopics and issue a multitude of queries simultaneously on your behalf. The biggest thing is you can hopefully see more visual elements in AI mode, which I think is huge. One of the examples that they had in a GIF was somebody that was looking for barrel jeans that aren't too baggy. Barry, do you have barrel jeans?
I do not.
I think you look great in barrel jeans. Next AI, Sora 2 of Barry. Can you please put them in barrel jeans that aren't too baggy, please?
On it.
And the example that AI mode gives you is first that text answer that is typically there. And then you'll see a bunch of different images in there. And I think the images are a big improvement. Just the example that they gave was a great one. Obviously, they made it. So who knows how it works in real life. You're supposed to be able to have better results when you upload an image, it seems, right, Barry? That seems like that's the case.
Yeah, exactly. So they're making it both ways. Like the AI mode's going to better understand when you're looking for something more visual, be able to return that stuff that's more visual, and then also give you a more visual response, which is supposed to spark that inspiration stuff. The examples were pretty cool. And I don't know, we'll see. This is more aimed at shopping, I think, based on the thing that I spoke to him about. So it seems like if you're shopping, it makes a lot more sense. For some queries, it might not make sense, and they're going to go ahead and figure out where it makes sense and where it doesn't make sense to do this.
Yeah, and cool. In your article, you had said that it includes responding to shopping queries with more visual ideas using the massive Google Shopping Graph, which is their biggest advantage, I think. And then from Rajan, he also said that when you have those images, Google will use Google Search with Lens and image search combined with Gemini's 2.5 advanced multimodal language capabilities. So hopefully some improvements there. And then I think this is improvement. This is kind of up to the viewer or listener, but SERP Alerts had spotted the fact that for AI overviews, the citations on the right-hand rail have appeared to have been tested to be sticky. So it will stick the citations to the top of the search engine results pages only until you get past the AI overviews. Then it will fall off. So if you've got those citations and you've got a big old AI overview, you can scroll down the AI overview and the citations will stay there. And then as soon as you scroll past the AI overview, the citations will fall off. So I think this is cool, especially on some of those bigger ones. At least you've got more opportunities for impressions and clicks.
Yeah, I was actually able to test this myself, and it does seem to catch your eye better, which is always a plus for getting clicks in those AI overviews. And then Google Ads has some news this week.
Yes, they do, especially like for the PMax. And even I know I said channel reporting, but for asset reporting as well. They've done a breakout down. You can now do a breakdown of asset performance by device, time, conversions, and networks. And that brings out a new optimization opportunities for folks. For channel reporting as well, there's several of them. So bulk reporting and downloads at account level, cost added to channel visualizations, ROI columns for more transparent reporting, segmentation by conversion action and ad event types, and diagnostics such as limited serving due to restrictive bid targets. And yeah, I got the different images as to how they should look like on my Search Engine article. So go check that out. That's coming soon.
Very good. Yeah, a lot of people are looking forward to those. That's rolling out now, I believe. So hopefully people will have it. Some people had it before, but I guess they were being tested. So now it's starting to fully roll out. And then we have another interview with the head of Google Search, Liz Reid, who basically spoke about a lot of different topics, including AI, search, blue links, SEO. One of the things was, so is AI replacing search and the new search experience? And she said, no, it's basically augmenting, enabling to reinvent search and not replace search. They also spoke about changes with SEO and clicks with blue links and user behavior and so forth. So it seems like she's on a tour in India answering a bunch of questions for people around the future of Google Search. So definitely take a look at that interview. Nice find there, Gagan Gorta. And then I know a lot of people might be upset about this, but now when you do a search for an emoji, Google's going to give you the ability to just copy and paste the emoji right from an answer box in the Google search results.
Yes.
You're happy about this. What about Emojipedia?
I'm sorry, RIP Emojipedia. You just got a death sentence.
It is. It's horrible. I do feel bad a little bit. The guy actually, when I first covered this, it being tested in June, the guy reached out to me from that site. He's like, what am I going to do? I'm like, I don't know. Seems like a bad business.
Sorry, I'm sorry for my celebration there.
Yeah, the guy is devastated.
Yeah,
it's not a good thing for them if you put yourselves in their shoes. And Google's done this for countless types of queries. Obviously, starting back early days, 20 years ago, for definitions, for weather results, and all that type of stuff. So it just keeps becoming more and more. I have a very furry and angry Google emoji guy on the article, so you can take a look at that if you want to. Yeah, so we'll see. And I'm trying to work up that sore too with baggy jeans. So hopefully, and I was hoping it would be done by the time you finish this video, but it's not. So I'll probably.
It's got to be barrel jeans that aren't too baggy.
All right, Barry Schwartz and barrel jeans that are not too baggy. I'm not sure what it's going to look like. I haven't even looked at it before. So let's take a look.
I hope you're actually in a barrel, going over the falls.
Oh my god, yeah, those ones. What's the name of that comic? Oh my god.
A pair of barrel jeans. They have a relaxed fit through the hip with a gentle taper at the ankle. The high rise sits right at my waist, and the denim is a deep indigo with a little fading on the seams. You can see how the
This is Christmas.
Wow, Barry.
Excited Barry, and then a Barry in barrel jeans.
RIP Emojipedia, RIP Search Engine Roundtable, because you've got a new calling. You are now a model, a spokesperson, a fashion influencer, Barry. Couldn't say anything better about that. No notes.
Yeah, it's funny. I made some videos for my kids last night. I'm like, oh, look, I was playing at the Knicks last night at Madison Square Garden, and they had me slamming on top of people and so forth. It was pretty funny. And they believed it for a second, and then they didn't. So they're like, that's AI. I'm like, yeah. Any event, everyone have a great week. I'm not back tomorrow. I should be back Monday and then gone Tuesday, Wednesday. Enjoy. We could watch other videos from more talented YouTubers, including the PPC Live channel and including the Marketing O'Clock channel. Maybe the Unified Brand Marketing channel as well. I'm not sure, but we'll see.
And Barry, what brand were those again? They look fantastic.
I have to bring it up again.
A pair of barrel jeans. They have a relaxed fit through the hip with a gentle taper at the ankle. The high rise sits right at my waist, and the denim is a deep indigo with a little fading on the seams. You can see how the.
Oh, perfect.
I'm glad you enjoyed. Bye.
Oh, that made my day.